This is the Oraimo Scrambler 100. It's a 20-inch e-bike, 3-inch tires, and one incredible stat on this is the maximum payload is 440 pounds. I don't know that I've seen that high of a weight rating from a 26-inch standard e-bike, let alone a folding model. But then you start to inspect the aluminum frame and how sturdy that hinge construction is, and you really start to trust that rating. Plus, a lot of attention was paid to the extra cross bracing. It really looks solid. 3-inch plus width on the tires, and even the rims are wide and nice and sturdy. There's a really nice shifting 7-speed Shimano derailleur with quick button upshifts, plus that really nice throttle and those comfortable grips. And what really seals the deal with this Oraimo Scrambler 100 is that robust hub motor, 750 watts and plenty of torque. The controls are simple to use. Just long press this button to turn on the control panel. Then use the plus minus buttons to scroll through the 5 power assist levels. And if you've ever ridden an e-bike with only 3 assist levels, you'll really appreciate those extra 2 cruising speeds. And while the focus is definitely on power and performance, they really haven't sacrificed comfort. It's got a large, very comfortable saddle with a shock absorbing seat post. Switching from a 26-inch bike to this 20-inch version, I was worried that the cranks would feel small, and they don't at all. They feel like full-size cranks, and you can really get down the trail. So I would say the Oraimo Scrambler 100 is perfect for somebody that puts a priority on power, torque, and a really sturdy frame. And despite that sturdy frame, this actually comes in at a relatively light 55 pounds, and it folds up into a perfectly compact package. It'll go into any hatchback or small SUV. And this Scrambler feels right at home whether you're on the pavement or out on those gravel trails.